Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to look at how to export your keychain from iCloud. I'm a new Mac user myself, and this is one of the first things that I needed to do in order to really flesh out my password manager. It doesn't matter which password manager you want to use as far as I'm aware. What we're going to do is export to CSV, and then at the end we're going to convert that CSV into a 1Password file. The 1Password file can be imported into Bitwarden, and I'm sure other password managers as well. So this will at least cover Bitwarden and 1Password and probably many others. First, you'll need to download this converter. I'm sure if you've Googled it, you've seen the Mr. C converter mentioned in articles, but the instructions are usually very long, and so I just wanted to post a video to show how to do it. So first we're going to save this file. See the link in the description. This file has two zips. The first zip is Mr. C Converter Suite. So go ahead and double click on that. Inside here is everything you need. Let's get started. Go ahead and double click on Get Safari 12 Passwords and click play. It's going to launch Safari. All of your iCloud passwords that are available in Safari are going to be opened, copied, and pasted into a CSV file. Don't interrupt your computer while this is running. Just let it go. I had some 540 passwords in my iCloud Keychain, and this exported about 240 passwords. The reason for the discrepancy is because there's a lot of passwords in the iCloud Keychain that are just app passwords or passwords generated by iOS to access things that you wouldn't actually see if you were to dive into the passwords section in iOS. So these are all of the same passwords that you would be able to see in iOS if you were to go into settings and tap passwords and look at those that are in your iCloud keychain. So this is everything that I have. Okay, now that the export's done, we have a CSV that should have been saved to our desktop. We'll click OK. We have pmexport.csv. Now what we need to do is we need to convert it, because the password managers can't handle this CSV. It's not in the right format. Back in the Mr. C Converter Suite, click on macOS converthelper.app. Press Run. If you haven't saved this in the location it expects, it might ask you to find it for it. In this case, I put it on my desktop in this folder, Mr. C Converter Suite. Choose. In this menu, you'll just want to select CSV. None of the other options are going to work. You have to keep in mind that this is to convert to 1Password, is what the intention of this script or application is really for. So if you are using the macOS converthelper.app to convert a KeePass export to 1Password, or a SafeWallet export to 1Password, or a Chrome export to 1Password, you could use another option. A lot of people get confused on this step. I know I did. So we just want to select CSV, because that's what we're converting from. Select. It's asking me where my exported file is. My exported file is here on the desktop. Choose. We're not going to enter any additional options. Here you can enter things like debug mode, extra things that you want Terminal to show you when it's doing it, but just click Convert. And that's it. It's exported a 1Pass file with all of our passwords in it. From here you can import the 1Password file into most password managers. Depending on the one you use, instructions will vary, but I'm using Bitwarden, so I'm able to just select this file from Bitwarden's online web vault and imported it okay. If you want to see an instruction on that, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one.